Hello everyone. This is my last video for the year 2020 and I'm taking this opportunity to say a huge thanks to all of you who are all my subscribers. All those who have been looking into the 50 videos I created for the year. And above all, I also wanted to thank all the productivity gurus and coaches I have been following for the year and that have inspired me. Thanks once again, everyone. It's been a great journey this year where I launched and posted my first video on Next Gen Digital. And that happened on March 23rd, 2020. And since then, the growth has been exciting and motivating. With 7,000 subscribers and close to 500,000 views, all credit goes to the YouTube community and friends and family for supporting this initiative of mine. So now in today's video, I get to do something that I have wanted to do for quite a while now. I will be sharing with you 6 of my preferred YouTube channels that talk around the subjects or topics of productivity that have inspired me and that I highly recommend. You might be familiar or following some of these YouTubers and coaches, but if you are not, this is a great opportunity and gives me a chance to talk about these people and some of their recent works. So without any further ado, let's get straight into this. Let's start with the first person or influencer in my life, and that is Francesco. He runs his YouTube channel by the name Keep Productive and has been a pioneer in talking about productivity tools, apps, and providing insights on being more efficient and productive. Francesco has been the main force behind my channel Next Gen Digital as a source of motivation. I have been following him for the last 3 years now. You name a productivity app and he's on it. Francesco is respected all around the productivity space and has collaborated with many other gurus in the industry. He is a great proponent of apps like Notion and Woven and Evernote also, and writes occasionally on Medium too. Francesco is a great speaker, very simplistic in his approach, and I would recommend his channel any day. One day I would love to host him on my channel for a quick chat. Do check him out. Scott Friesen runs an awesome YouTube channel called Simpletivity. He focuses very much like Next Gen Digital on tools and how to really optimize them. Scott's channel digs deep into the Google concepts, project management apps like Trello, Google Keep Task Manager, and how to live a stress-free life. I'm so thrilled to mention here that I hosted him on my channel a few months back, where he spoke about the productivity concepts and having a workflow system. I will leave the link for this video as well a link to his channel for you. The most interesting part I like about Scott is his creative approach to productivity, which reflects in his videos. Strongly recommended if you are in for productivity enhancements. Next one is Carl Pullein. Carl brings excellent energy and knowledge in his videos, and I had the privilege of recording 2 videos with him. Carl is a personal productivity specialist, presenter, and author of his book, Your Digital Life and Working with Todoist. He works with busy people and teams, helping them to become more productive and to get more important things done. Personally speaking, I have learned immensely about Evernote and Todoist from his videos and the multiple interactions I had with him. I would definitely recommend taking his COD system course, COD meaning collect, organize, do, and is also looking into his videos on time management. Links will be in the description for you. If you would like to go any deeper into apps like Todoist, do check out his channel and you will start loving him. The next one on my list of 2020 top productivity YouTuber and coach is Thomas Frank. He provides study tips to help you learn faster and ace your exams, advice on destroying procrastination, reading and note-taking strategies, and more. I've been following him for quite some time now. He's one of the stalwarts in the productivity space, and what I love about him is the way of teaching, presentation capabilities, and the quality of his videos. He has a wide range of videos including morning routines for students and how to optimize your work at college, and he's really someone who's done a great job of coming out of college and doing the thing that he really enjoys. He picks up topics that are very relatable in daily life, like how to deal with burnout, organizing your daily lives. But the best one I admire is his uses of Notion productivity app. With 2 million plus subscribers, Thomas is considered to be one of the pioneers in the productivity and time management space. Yes, you are right. I'm in awe of him, and I would consider him as one of the Lamborghinis against the top productivity channels and YouTubers. I recently interviewed Peter on my channel. He lives in Amsterdam, and he's the reason why I use the Things 3 task management app. Peter is a productivity coach once again and has done some amazing videos with use cases on Things 3 and OmniFocus. He also has a course called Big Picture Productivity that has created some great success amongst businesses and individuals. Once again, the links will be in the description. How can I not follow Matt Devella? He's a pioneer and yet so simple in his approach. He's a minimalist and a filmmaker and has made a film on minimalism also. Believe me, he comes up with extremely high quality videos. With 3 million subscribers already in his bag, he's growing stronger every day due to the topics he picks and the creative content he makes. He talks about the productivity system, living a minimalist life, how to organize your phone, the happiness paradox, and many more ideas. I would consider Matt's channel as the most viewed channel by me. And yes, you're right. This one falls at the top of my list for sure. A definite watch. So guys, there are probably tons of channels that I totally missed out on. I will provide a few more links of my favorite channels in the description section below, and one of them is for sure Ali Abdaal. Ali Abdaal is a doctor from UK who has made big as a YouTuber. Feel free to subscribe to them and start gaining the wisdom as they provide. A big thank you to all of you for watching my channel in the year 2020. If you're not subscribed here, please do subscribe, and I will talk to you guys very soon. And I look forward to chatting with you guys more in 2021. So until then, wish you and your families a healthy and prosperous new year. Stay safe and productive.